Welcome, welcome to Design by Geeks and Risa Rocks It. In today's tutorial, we'll be making this adorable suitcase box. There are a lot of optional details you can add that are included with the design. This would make a great way to present the gift of travel. Experience gifts are great, but how do you wrap a vacation? Well, this is how. You could put airline or cruise tickets in the box. You could also put theme park tickets inside, and it's a fun way to wrap a travel gift. I've put the link in the video description where you can buy this SVG file. Let's get going. Start by cutting your pieces on your machine, including any of the optional details that you want to use. If you're using the travel stickers, there's a separate set of instructions for Cricut and Silhouette users, since those are a print and cut design. For any pieces with score lines, which is going to be your box and your straps, Cricut users are going to need to set and attach those in Design Space. I'll put a link up in the cards with how to do that. Pre-fold your pieces along the score lines. The pieces with score lines will be the two optional strap pieces and the two box pieces. Now we can fold the two box pieces along the score lines. For the handles, you'll fold those up the opposite direction. Now we'll fold our second box piece. Next, you'll glue the two box pieces together along the side tabs, placing glue here. Then we'll glue the two pieces together. And repeat on the other tab to wrap around and form our box shape. Next, we're going to close up the bottom of the box by folding down the two bottom flaps and closing the lid. Next, we're going to close the top of our box by folding down the two sides with the handles, and when we fold those down, just make sure that those handles stay up. If you plan on using the optional handle details, you're going to want to glue those on now. And repeat for the other handle. To finish closing up the top, just fold down that top part with the slit, and then you'll slide the handles into that slot. Now your basic box assembly is done, and you can continue by adding any additional details you might like. If you want to add the trim border, you're going to go ahead and do that next by gluing those down onto each side. And here's how the suitcase looks with both of those on. Next, if you want to use the travel stickers, you can put those on now. Just make sure you resize them before you print them to fit your suitcase. I printed mine onto sticker paper, so I can just peel and stick those on, but you can also print them onto white paper and glue them down. The stickers come in little groupings, and you can stick those on your suitcase wherever you like. There's not really a wrong way to do it, as long as you make sure to resize your stickers before you print them so that they'll fit onto your suitcase. And if you like, you can put them on the front, you can put them on the back, you can put them on both sides. The last optional piece is the straps, and you're going to start by sliding a buckle onto each of the straps, and you just slide that on just like you would a normal belt buckle. Then you'll wrap each strap around the suitcase on either side of the handle. Now the straps can slide off, but if you like, you might want to fill your suitcase first before attaching the straps. To finish assembling the strap, just put a little bit of glue at the end to attach the two ends together. And we can slide the strap to where we like it. And then we'll repeat for the other strap. And there you have it, a cute little suitcase gift box with all of the optional accessories. Thank you so much for watching and happy travels! We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.